guys, it's my first time traveling internationally and I'm bringing you along with me. As a girl who always dreamed of traveling, I'm so grateful for this opportunity, so I'm definitely going to enjoy every bit of it. We stayed at the Pugs Lounge before our boarding time and thank you so much to my ninong for this. I just had a small meal but there were so many food choices. Then we went back to our gate since it was already boarding time. We're flying with China Eastern and our first stop was China. It was just a 3-hour flight so I didn't get to sleep much, but it was comfy enough. The meal was served and it actually tasted good. I really liked the sides that came with it. They also gave salt and pepper which I used for the porridge. And finally, we landed safely. Their airport is really big and there's a train inside. Grabe, they have 500 gates. I was so impressed kasi who would have thought na may train sa loob ng airport.
Please hold the handrail and pay attention to safety.
Oh, by the way, we had a 5-hour layover here, but luckily the airport was so big and there were plenty of places to sit and sleep. We just rested and slept for a bit. Our next flight was a 12-hour trip from China straight to Paris. Compared to the previous one, this plane was bigger and had individual monitors. The first meal was served right away and the second one was for dinner, kind of similar to the first but still okay. Overall, it was a comfy ride. I actually just slept the whole time. And finally, we're here! My 10-year-old self would be screaming right now. Thank you so much for watching and I'll be uploading my Europe video soon, so stay tuned!